Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Format Painter. This handy tool allows you to quickly copy formatting from one item and apply it to another. First, select the text or object that has the formatting you want to copy. Then, click the Format Painter icon, which looks like a paintbrush, just one time. Finally, click on the item you wish to format, and the styles will be instantly applied. It's a simple, three-step process for quick consistency. When you need to apply the same formatting to several different items, Format Painter offers an even more efficient method. Instead of clicking it just one time, double-click the Format Painter icon. This action locks the tool, allowing you to click on as many different text boxes or objects as you need, applying the copied style to each one. To deactivate the tool, simply press the Escape key on your keyboard or click the Format Painter icon once more. This saves a significant amount of time. Format Painter isn't just for text, it's incredibly versatile for objects too. You can copy the formatting from shapes, pictures, and even tables. This includes elements like fill colors, line styles, shadow effects, and even three-dimensional rotations. Simply select the object with the desired appearance, then use Format Painter to transfer those exact visual attributes to another shape or image. It ensures a cohesive and professional look across all your visual elements with minimal effort. To truly master Format Painter, remember these key tips. It's an invaluable tool for maintaining visual consistency throughout your entire presentation, ensuring every element aligns with your design standards. By using it, you can save many minutes, even hours, of manual adjustments, especially when working with numerous slides or complex layouts. Make it a regular part of your workflow, and you'll find your formatting tasks become much faster and more precise. Happy presenting!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.